I mean, I no, I really don't know anything, to be honest with you. I know the basic things like, you have different types of keywords that you can target and bid on. The bids you can increase and decrease. You hook this up with Google Analytics and Search Console to see the campaign results in Google Analytics, and you can
No, no, no.
see.
Campaign result. You can see the campaign result only on Google Ads.
Okay,
Okay, not GA4 or console.
right.
Okay, I'll open another account like
So how many certifications do you have?
I have very few. Okay,
How many
and I have around four something like that. Okay,
of those ones that you just showed me earlier? All of them related to Google?
Google and other technicals. Okay, technical marketing related.
Okay.
And I'm going to purchase course from Analytics Media. I will purchase this course.
Mhm.
Okay, and this will cost me $449
What?
for Google Tag Manager.
You're trying to learn it, or this is for your students?
No, no, no. I will purchase this one.
And then
Okay,
what? You'll purchase it, then what?
I'll learn from him. He's the master,
Mm.
world leader,
You're just gonna
genius.
show videos, and you think you can learn just from watching videos?
He has the documentations, videos, updates. Okay, examinations.
Nothing hands-on? Like he's not gonna spend time with you?
Yes, he will give me some support. Okay,
For
but
me,
all are
I would not learn
recorded.
anything from watching videos and reading documentation. I only learn by doing it myself.
No, no, brother. If you learn yourself, then it will take lot more time, huge time. Okay, and
Yeah.
you will do lots of mistakes.
Right. I'm not trying to learn anything by myself. That's why I'm hiring you.
Yes, you are hiring me. Okay, but how I can hire him for one-to-one
I
conversation?
don't know, but for me, if you told me, hey, you should buy this $500 course and watch
Hmm.
his videos and read his documentation, you'll become an expert. I would be like, no way, man. I'm not gonna learn anything from watching his videos. There's billions of videos out there on every
No,
topic.
brother, this is not billion videos. Okay,
I know this is a course. He's
and
gonna be very
if you
meticulous and show you this stuff.
GA4 and GA4 Google Analytics. Okay, he's the boss, one of the bosses of GA4 and Google Tag Manager. Okay, in the world.
What I'm saying is that's great. That's great. But for me, even if you gave me all these videos for free, I still wouldn't be able to learn much from it because I need to do it hands-on. I have to
You
do
will
it
not
myself.
understand. You will not understand these videos. I must
Yeah,
say.
I'm sure I would not.
You have to do the basic course first, then you can understand.
Right, right.
Okay,
I'm
man.
aware. So once you learn all that, then what will you do with that knowledge?
Yes, now I charge $50, $100, $150. Then I will charge more than $500.
To teach it or to do the work?
Yes, I always do the work, not teach. I don't teach
Mm.
because teaching is very. I will need documentation. I will need to organize the courses. Then I can teach.
So people come to you with these things, and what do you do for them? What are some things that you people hire you for?
Okay, what I do. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay,
Here, let me stop the recording 1 second.
okay.